Do you know how many Shiba Inus you'll need to become a millionaire by 2022? The answer is dependent on how optimistic you are about the future of the Shiba Inu breed. To achieve your goal of owning 1 million Shiba Inu SHIB by 2022, you must be extremely optimistic and believe that the Shiba Inu will trade at $1 by 2022. For those who are moderately optimistic and anticipate that Shiba Inu will reach $0.01 by 2022, all you need is 100 million SHIB now to be financially secure. Welcome to Cryptoverse. Shiba Inu SHIB is a cryptocurrency that seeks to be an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin. Doge, the popular meme coin that has gained widespread popularity. SHIB, in contrast to Bitcoin, which is intended to be scarce, is meant to be abundant, with a total quantity of 1 quadrillion units in circulation. Many projects, including an NFT art incubator and the construction of a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap, are supported by the Shiba Inu token ecosystem. It was created to address a simple question: what would happen if a cryptocurrency project was entirely managed by its community? Shiba Inu SHIB was established to answer this issue. SHIB is a cryptocurrency created to provide an Ethereum-compatible alternative to Dogecoin. SHIB, like Doge, is designed to be abundant. With an initial circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins, it is purposely abundant. Additionally, the Shiba Inu ecosystem supports projects such as the NFT art incubator and the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. However, if you are a more conservative investor like myself, you can expect Shiba Inu to consume one more zero in 2022. In this scenario, you would require approximately 10 billion Shiba Inu to become a millionaire by 2022. While any of the scenarios listed above is conceivable, I am more likely to believe that you will be a millionaire by 2022 if you invest 10 billion SHIB. In support of this conclusion, there are a few plausible arguments. By 2022, a $1 Shiba Inu is highly unlikely. As Shiba Inu has previously demonstrated, any scenario is possible in the cryptocurrency market. SHIB went from being an obscure cryptocurrency attempting to become the next Dogecoin to seeing a rally of more than 28 million%. Nevertheless, realistically speaking, it is highly doubtful that this achievement will be repeated in the following 12 months. SHIB had a market capitalization of less than $5 million when 2020 began. This provided it with the flexibility to go parabolic without causing its market capitalization to become unreasonable. These days, things are different. Shiba Inu has a market capitalization of $11 billion at the time of writing and is one of the largest cryptocurrencies currently in existence. The cryptocurrency would have a greater market capitalization than Ethereum if it were to surge to the point where it trades at $1. While Ethereum's status is not set in stone, many variables work against Shiba Inu's ability to accomplish such a feat. For starters, it would imply that the vast majority of the money flowing into cryptocurrency is being invested in Shiba Inu. So yet, there has been no indication of such a move. The biggest cryptocurrencies, primarily Bitcoin and Ethereum, continue to dominate capital inflows, particularly from institutional investors, according to CoinDesk. The second scenario is that the crypto market expands to accommodate Shiba Inu, which has a market capitalization of $500 billion. This is also doubtful because Bitcoin would require a market capitalization of more than $20 trillion within the next 12 months. This is unlikely to occur unless widespread hyperinflation and the value of most fiat currencies, particularly the dollar, plummets to zero. While fiat currencies lose value over time, it is highly improbable that the United States dollar or any other major world currency will experience hyperinflation in the coming year. Early signs indicate that central banks in major world economies are preparing to raise interest rates to offset the effects of the 2020 stimulus packages. There is a substantial likelihood that financial assets will grow at a slower rate in 2022 than they did in 2020 and 2021 as a result. Shiba Inu can't trade at $1 by 2022 due to this. Shiba Inu for $0.01 in 2022 is possible, although it seems unlikely. Shiba Inus might gain as much as 20,300% in value by 2022 if cryptocurrency grows at its current rate. On the other hand, such a situation is predicated on extraordinary circumstances. For example, if the Shiba Inu is listed on Robinhood by 2022, this could be a possibility. Another scenario that could spark such a surge is the Doge 1 mission, slated to launch in the first quarter of 2022. Whether or not this assignment prompts a rush towards meme coins, Shiba Inu at $0.01 could be plausible. After that, there's the likelihood that Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market will reach their zenith in 2022. Standard Chartered researchers predicted that Bitcoin would reach a peak of $175,500 in 2022, and that Ethereum would reach a peak of $10,000 in the same period. Since these two cryptocurrencies are the primary movers in the cryptocurrency market, if they rally, hype coins like Shiba Inu may follow suit. Shiba Inu will probably trade at $0.01 during such a rise. The problem with the $0.01 SHIB scenario is that it is more akin to gambling than putting money into the market. Your investment decisions would be made with the best-case scenario in mind, which is the polar opposite of sensible investing. When it comes to investing in the financial markets, one must follow the rules of logic and avoid investing in extreme situations. Probably the most logical possibility is a Shiba Inu at $0.0001 by the year 2022. When it comes to making $1 million out of SHIB by 2022, it makes sense for a prudent investor to purchase at least 10 billion SHIB at this time. Because of this low price, there is little chance of a significant percentage price increase for Shiba Inus. In this case, you would predict that Shiba Inu's price will rise by 378.01% from its present level of $0.00002022. For a meme coin like Shiba Inu, price growth of 378.01% is a reasonable and easily doable goal, given the coin's popularity. In the absence of any significant news, it had a 1,100% increase in value in October 2021. Shiba Inu has previously gained considerably greater percentages of the population. For example, it had increased by more than 20 million% when it was first introduced. In addition to Shiba Inu's history of steep price hikes, multiple variables point to a 100% increase in the breed's price by the end of 2022, based on historical trends. One of these factors is the overall momentum of the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high of $68,000, setting a new record. Since then, the market has seen a modest drop. Nonetheless, the overall momentum is positive. If the bulls take control, Bitcoin's price might reach between $90,000 and $100,000 by the end of the year 2022. If this occurs and cryptocurrencies follow suit, Shiba Inu may potentially see a surge of more than 100% in value. There's also the future Doge 1 mission to consider. Even though it has nothing to do with Shiba Inu directly, it can benefit it because they are both meme currencies that are pumped by Elon Musk's tweets. Aside from the enormous potential, the amount of capital necessary to purchase 10 billion SHIB is a manageable sum of money. In the following few months, it is possible to make $1 million off SHIB with a total investment capital of $209,200. SHIB can be purchased, sent, and received through many different cryptocurrency exchanges. Because SHIB is being issued as an Ethereum token, it is interoperable with the huge Ethereum ecosystem as a whole. Compatibility with Ethereum wallets, such as Coinbase Wallet, availability on decentralized exchanges, such as Uniswap, and the potential for SHIB to be incorporated into ETH-based DeFi applications, such as lending and savings products and NFT marketplaces, are just a few of the advantages of the cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching this video. Like it and subscribe to this channel.